In order to enable or disable Personal Hotspot on iPhone 17, all you have to do is we need to open Settings, and then you might be able to find Personal Hotspot over here below the cellular option or mobile service. And also we can go to cellular or mobile services in order to find the Personal Hotspot here as well. And if you want to, you can enable the hotspot by enabling this option, allow others to join. You can also find the password over here. We have the description how to connect to our Wi-Fi by using Wi-Fi, using Bluetooth, or using the USB cable. You can also disable the Personal Hotspot if you want to by just switching it off over here. The same happens when you go to Personal Hotspot from the main menu of settings. It's just the same thing. And also we can go to the settings to Control Center, and then you might be able to find the hotspot somewhere over here among these options. In my case it is here, so I can toggle Personal Hotspot in this place. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.